Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share contacts in Outlook with other users. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This initial step ensures you have access to all your Outlook features and contact information that you'll need for sharing. Once your email has loaded and you're on your main dashboard, it's time to navigate to your contacts menu. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see 4 different icons, each representing a different menu. Click on the Two People icon, which is your contacts menu. This is where all your saved contacts are stored and managed. Now that your contacts menu is open, sharing contacts with other users is actually quite straightforward. From the list of contacts displayed, select the specific contact you wish to share and right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From these options, hover your cursor over Forward Contact and you'll notice the menu expands to show you 2 different sharing options. You can share this contact as a business card or as an Outlook contact. For this tutorial, we'll use the Outlook contact option, so go ahead and click on As an Outlook contact. After clicking, an email composition window will automatically appear on your screen. Here's the convenient part. You'll notice that the window is already pre-filled with the contact information attached, which saves you time and effort. All you need to do now is fill in the To field with the email address of the person you want to share the contact with. Add a subject line if you'd like, and then send this as a regular email. The contact information will be attached and ready for the recipient to import into their own Outlook account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared an Outlook contact with another user, making it easy for them to add the same contact information to their own address book. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.